Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by targeting the correct database in Object Explorer. That ensures you don't create the table in the wrong place. Once selected, decide whether to use the Table Designer or write a Create Table statement. Use Designer for quick layouts, SQL for repeatable scripts. Next, draft your column list and pick types that match your data. Use int for keys, nvarchar, n for text, datatime for timestamps. Make sure to identify the primary key now, so constraints and indexing follow cleanly. Now you define each column and the rules that keep data valid. If using Designer, add columns and select types and lengths. If writing SQL, specify column definitions with not null or null. Once done, declare the primary key and consider identity, seed, increment for surrogate keys. This helps with auto-incrementing. Add unique constraints where needed and default expressions for predictable values, and define foreign KEY references to enforce relationships. This prevents orphaned records and supports joins later. Execute your Create Table script or save the Designer. That writes the schema to the database. Immediately verify by refreshing Object Explorer and running a simple select TOP100 query to confirm columns and defaults appear as expected. If you encounter errors, check permissions first. Create Table requires alter or create rights. Next, inspect data types and constraint messages. Mismatched types or missing reference tables often cause failures. If a foreign key fails, ensure the reference table and key exist and have compatible types.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.